Hello my friends, we will talk about VICTORINOX Hunter Pro. Orange model with this hole for handprint, full size knife with backlock, something like classical back, but little more powerful because it's bigger, it's heavy, and it's from VICTORINOX, from Switzerland, not as back from United States. And for first opinion, I thought that it's not very interesting knife, simple, ordinary, not very cool for technology, for steel. But after it I worked with it, and I want to show you it on food, on products, on wood, on other things, on meat. And let's continue. So let's start with food. It's ordinary thing what we need from knife, for ADC using, for outdoor using. It's vegetables, it's bread, it's like sandwich. And absolutely no problem. I can make it with this multi-functional knife. And let's finish with it and go until next more hard using. So next one, and it's meat with bones. It's a bird, and I should not use this knife for this kind, but I don't have near me other knife, and I should do it. Also, it's like a really hard test for steel, for at least knife. And all are fine, without any problems with knife. And let's go until really hard using. It's still sharp. And for this rope, my other knife with S30V premium steel, it's not do so easy, and so and wood. In dry wood I can use both hands and get big parts of wood. And again, it's still sharp even with all it. So for my opinion, VICTORINOX made really cool knives in any category, or multi-tools, or some classical the knife, for or this one. So in description of this video would be link where you can buy it. Also would be link for my full text review with little more words of impressions. So that's all, almost all. The later would be review of this cold steel. I now test it. And also would be review of this night core flash white with double white, cold white and warm white. For other side, you see. Review will be later. You can put like and subscribe for this channel and you will see it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.